I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pre-workout with coffee. Start by choosing a strong brewed coffee or espresso for a clean caffeine boost. Then measure about 100 to 200 mg caffeine depending on sensitivity. Add a small carbohydrate like 15 to 30 grams of fruit or honey for quick fuel, and include 10 to 20 grams of protein if training lasts longer than 45 minutes. Choose simple, familiar ingredients that mix easily with coffee. Use 100 to 200 mg caffeine as your target and pair it with 15 to 30 grams of carbs for immediate energy. Add 10 to 20 grams of protein for recovery, and if desired, stir in 3 to 5 grams creatine or a scoop of flavored BCAA to maintain taste while supporting performance. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful guides. Quick recommendation. I recently enjoyed a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that can change how you think about money, and it pairs oddly well with disciplined routines like smart pre-workout habits. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a copy if interested, and now let's get back to the video. Time matters for making coffee your pre-workout. Drink it between 20 and 60 minutes before you start so caffeine peaks during key sets. Keep fats light and avoid a heavy meal right before training to reduce stomach discomfort. Also remember to sip 200 to 400 ml water alongside your coffee to maintain hydration and steady performance during the workout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.